We all hear these stories, the person who put $100 into a new crypto project and it turned into $50,000, the person who bought a meme coin for a fraction of a cent and they paid off their mortgage. Now, 99% of those stories have one thing in common. They didn't buy that coin on Coinbase, they didn't buy it on Binance, they bought it months before anyone else had even heard of it. They bought it in a presale. Today we are not analyzing one specific project, we are talking about the concept. Can a crypto presale really change your life? And what is the massive catch that nobody ever talks about? Let's get into it. The core logic, why presales are life-changing. So why is this even possible? The logic is actually incredibly simple. It's the difference between being a customer and being an early investor. When you buy a token on an exchange, you are buying it at its established market price. But a presale is like buying shares in a tech company before it goes public. Let's use some simple math. A new project, let's call it Project X, needs to raise money to build its platform. So it sells its tokens in a presale for just 1 cent. You do your research, you like the idea, and you buy $100 worth. And of course, you got 10,000 tokens. Now you wait, the team builds, they market, and 6 months later, they finally launch on a major exchange. And now the price is $1 worth. Your $100 investment is now worth $10,000. That is the mathematical reason why crypto presales can be life-changing. You are getting access to the earliest possible price, a price the general public on exchange will never see again. You are getting in the ground floor. That is the entire alpha. The harsh reality, the great filter. Okay, that sounds incredible. So why isn't everyone who buys a presale millionaire? Because what I just described is the 1% scenario. That's the survival. For every one project that does 100x, there are 99 that go straight to zero. And this is the catch. This is the part that they don't tell you. The presale market is the single highest risk, most dangerous place in all finance. It is the Wild West. It's full of scams, rug pulls, and projects with terrible ideas that just fail. Finding that 1% winner isn't like buying a lottery ticket. It's like being a detective, a tech analyst, and a venture capitalist all at once. You have to be willing to read white paper, you have to check for security audits, you have to check Tokenomics to see if the team has a vesting schedule or if they are just going to dump their tokens on you at launch. This is high stakes, high level research. So let's back to the title. Can a crypto presale change your life? The answer is yes, it absolutely can. It offers what we call asymmetric upside. The ability to risk a very small amount of money, always money you are 100% prepared to lose, for a potential reward that is exponentially larger. But here is the real secret. Even if 9 out of 10 of your presale investments fail, the knowledge you gain is life-changing. By learning how to filter these projects, you are forcing yourself to learn about the future. You will learn what DeepMind is. You will learn what AI protocols are. You will learn how to read a smart contract. You are getting a world-class education in the next wave of technology. And the knowledge is what really changed your life. The money is just the bonus you get for being right. And now the most important part of this video. This is not a financial advice. I'm not a financial advisor. This is my personal opinion. 99% of presales will fail. Never ever invest money that you are 100% willing to lose. This is gambling, just with a bit more skill. Your job is to do your own research. If you want to learn how I do my research, how I filter these projects, and how I read a white paper, hit that subscribe button. We are just getting started. See you soon.